Here's Hoover after getting his grooming. Look how handsome he is. Hey, sweetheart. I don't think he's very happy with me. Hoover, are you checking out that new food we're gonna try? Huh? Yeah, I don't think he's very happy. Hoover, look at Mommy. Can you give me a kiss? Come here, baby. Come here, darling. See, he's got a pretty bandana. Give me a kiss. Good boy. Good boy, Hoover. You can really see how bad your skin is. Look at Mommy. Hoover, are you ready to eat? You gonna try your new food? Huh? Are you gonna try your new food? I bet you are. Yeah. Look at Mama. Hoover. Hey, sweet boy.